How to fix your Facebook's Google Authenticator 2FA if lost. If your Facebook's 2FA is lost inside of your Google Authenticator, what you can do is click on add a code, click on enter a setup code, and then go inside your Facebook account and inside the 2FA of Facebook and get the key and type the key over here again, and then enter Facebook over here and click on add. And you can re-add the Facebook's 2FA like this by entering the Facebook's key if you have lost the 2FA, because there is no other way or anything you can do in order to recover it. If you don't have access to your Facebook's two-factor authenticator's key, you cannot re-add the code again. So this is the only way you guys can do it, by having access to your Facebook 2FA's key and clicking on add a code and manually adding the code and re-adding your Facebook's 2FA code in Google Authenticator. This is the only working method. I'm sorry. So I hope you understand how to fix your Facebook's Google Authenticator 2FA if lost. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.